আমাদের সমগ্র স্বাধীনতা এবং স্বাধীনতা পরবর্তী আমাদের যা অ্যাক্টিভিটি এবং আমরা যা করতে পারি ভবিষ্যতের জন্য সেটা নিয়ে একটা সুন্দর উপস্থাপনা আমাদের সুমতি দিল। এবার আমি ইনভাইট করছি আমাদের ছোট্ট মেয়ে শ্রীনিকাকে। শ্রীনিকা এবার কিছু বলবো। তার সম্বন্ধে বলছো? বাঘা যতীন। এসো।
Good morning. Happy Independence Day. My name is Srinika Das and today I am going to tell you a speech about Bagha Jatin. Bagha Jatin's real name was Jatindranath Mukherjee. He was a great and fearless leader. He was born in 1879 in Bengal. He loved his country so much that he wanted to see India free from the British rule. Do you know why his name is Bagha Jatin? Because once he fought with a real tiger with just a knife and killed it. So people started calling him Bagha, which means tiger in Bengali. This shows how strong, brave and courageous he was. Bagha Jatin believed that India must fight with strength with the British rule. He helped to form a secret group that worked to keep the British out of India. He also tried to get some weapons from other countries. In 1951, Bagha Jatin and his team went in Balasore in Odisha to fight with the British rule. While fighting, he was badly injured, but he didn't give up. Later, he became a martyr for our country. Bagha Jatin's love for India still inspires us. He taught us how to be strong, brave, and always be ready to stand for what is right. On this Independence Day, let us salute Bagha Jatin and all other freedom fighters from India who gave their lives for our country. Thank you and Jai Hind.